If you've been putting off making bread because it feels complicated or time-consuming, this recipe proves it doesn't have to be. Same day, no knead, bakery-style bread right from your kitchen. You do not need a sourdough starter, a mixer, or an overnight rise to make beautiful artisan bread. All you need is flour, salt, yeast, and warm water. I'll show you exactly how to do it. In a large bowl, I'm adding 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, and 1.5 teaspoons of salt. No sugar, no extras, just classic artisan bread ingredients. Whisk it all up. Now I pour in 1.5 cups of water. It should feel like a warm bath, not hot. I simply stir everything together with a spoon until it's combined. The dough will look shaggy, sticky, and a bit messy, and that's exactly what you want. There's no kneading, no folding, and no stand mixer needed. I cover the bowl and leave it on the bench for 3 to 4 hours. You're looking for a dough that has doubled in size, full of bubbles and jiggly when you gently shake the bowl. This is where all the magic happens. The time is doing the work for you. Once it's bubbly and alive, I turn the dough out onto a well-floured surface and I gently fold it over itself a few times, or just enough to bring it together into a rough ball. You want to be soft here so you don't knock out those lovely air bubbles. Then I let it rest on the bench for about 30 minutes so that the dough relaxes and it bakes up tall and airy. While that's resting, I preheat my oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit with my Dutch oven inside, lined with some baking paper. This screaming hot pot is what gives this bread its crackly, bakery-style crust. Once it has preheated, I lift the dough and place it into the hot pot. Put the lid on and bake for 30 minutes. After that, I remove the lid and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes until the loaf is deeply golden and crisp. When it comes out, I let it cool on a rack or on the bench before slicing, even though it's really hard to wait. Check out this beautiful round loaf of artisan style bread. No kneading, no overnight rise, just same day deliciousness. I also tap the bottom and that hollow sound tells you it's perfectly baked through. When you cut into it, you'll see soft, open, airy bread with a beautifully crisp crust, all from 4 ingredients. It's bread that looks and tastes like it came from a bakery, but it's simple enough for a total beginner. If you ever wanted fresh bread at home but didn't have the time or patience, this recipe was made for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know if you make this recipe. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!